black belt in Lean Six Sigma. I trained a lot of our employees in how to improve their lives through being a champion of change. I say I'm loving BTOES. There's lots of opportunity to mingle with people that are like-minded, but from every industry across the globe. All kinds of great content. I've been picking up some great insights. Lots of quotable quotes I'm going to take back to my organization and hopefully start to implement some of these concepts that I've picked up.
Hi, I'm Ian Phillips, Chief Data Architect for Lockheed Martin Aeronautics. Really enjoying the conference here. The speakers really bring a lot of expertise, and every single session that I'm in, I'm really impressed with what I'm taking out of it. Really fantastic conference. I don't know how they do it, but they seem to bring together a lot of critical thought.
Hi, my name is Rob Stewart. I'm CEO of Opus Works. Been to many conferences over the years. And one of the neat things about the BTOES conference is the attention to detail that exhibited by the BTOES team. And through that attention to detail, it makes lots of other really powerful conversations happen.
Hi everyone, I'm Nilofer Daribari, and I'm a seasoned business transformation professional. Have been working on strategic initiatives for the last 23 years across high-tech companies like Pfizer and Hewlett-Packard. And I must say, I just love the energy and the environment here. It's been really good, high-quality sessions by folks that have actually done the job and they've actually done the work. So I'm just loving every minute of it. Thank you so much for having me here. Really appreciate it.
Isabella Manning, Virgin Australia. What I really loved about the last couple of days here is networking with like-minded professionals, but hearing the case studies and recommended best practices, one-pagers, insights, tools and templates, war stories. It was fantastic. I learned a lot, and I'm definitely going to take some new things back into my playbook.
Hi, my name is Jordan Thurston with Citi, and attending BTOES really brings together different avenues and industries to come together and converge into one area for people to learn and adapt.
Schubert of Schubert Consultants. So the BTOES conference looked very attractive to me as a way to connect with people and prospective clients. It's an incredible group of very wise people looking to improve their organizations. I'm focused more on the people side and the strategy side of improving companies. And this is the place. I did a workshop yesterday, 26 people had great input. I think I'll be back.